Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss the HTML forms. HTML forms are essential for collecting and submitting data on websites. They allow users to input information like text, numbers, and selections. Forms are crucial for various online interactions, from contact forms to login pages. Let's start with the basic structure of an HTML form. You just write down the opening and closing form tags. Now let's explore some common form elements. First one is the text input. You write down the tag input with the type text and write down a placeholder. It can be your name or any text. This is the way you input text or you receive text from the user. The second one is the password input. It provides a secure way to input passwords where characters are masked for privacy. You write down the input tag with type password and the placeholder can be anything. You can write down password to give a hint. The third one is radio buttons. It is used to select one option from a set of mutually exclusive choices. You can write down input tag with type radio, then the name, let's say gender here, then the value is equal to male, and then we write down the label, that is male. That will appear on the side of the radio button. Then you give the second radio button input type radio and the name and then the value and then the label. Fourth one is the checkboxes. It allows users to select multiple options or toggle a single choice like subscribing to a newsletter. You write down the tag input with type checkbox, then the name and then the value. And then you close the tag and write down the label. The fifth one is the select drop-down. It presents a list of options for users to choose from in a drop-down menu. We write down opening and closing select tags, and within those select tags, there can be number of option tags nested inside. You write down the opening option tag with the value. You write down the label within the opening and closing option tags. To submit a form, we use a submit button. We write down the input tag with type submit and value submit. It will create a submit button for submitting this form. HTML5 provides a built-in form validation using attributes like required and pattern. For this, you write down the input tag with the name email and you write down required. This will make the email mandatory or required. Next example is you write down the input tag with type telephone and the name phone and the pattern. You can give the pattern. So it should contain the digits 0 to 9 and the total digits should be 10. Forms are a very important part of web development and mastering them is essential for building interactive websites. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more web development tutorials. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, please leave them in a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding. Bye bye.